In October 2017, the Nuns Fire came very close to our house. It was a mile away in 3 directions. We could see the flames from our back deck. We were inundated with smoke. The first day the power went out and we couldn't stay. At that point, I started looking into a generator, but then along the way came Sunrun, and I decided to take a look at it, and it was a perfect solution. My name is Melvin and I live in Sonoma, California. From a practical aspect, it would be nice not to lose power when there's a wildfire, either locally or 150 miles away. The Brightbox was built into the monthly plan, so there was no outlay for us at the beginning, and there's no pollution. There's no byproduct other than clean electricity. So with what the world is going through now, it will mean security. We're not going to be concerned about losing power and losing the food in our refrigerator. We felt very comfortable going with Sunrun, and are confident that we're going to get our needs met, so we're very pleased with that.